machine can pack 4,300 sweets in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many sweets can it pack in 1 hour? Now, for 1 hour, right, please change it to 60 minutes. Now, since they said that 5 minutes you can pack 4,300, right? So I'm going to put 5 minutes. It will pack 4,300. So how about for 60 minutes? Okay, take this divided by this, multiply by this to get the answer. I believe I taught you all in previous questions as well. 4,300 divided by 5 multiplied by 60. What answer would that give us? Okay, just throw this answer into your calculator. Throw the figure into the calculator and then let's see where it brings us. Give me a second. Where is my calculator on my phone? Okay, so 4,300 divided by 5 multiplied by 60, that will give us 51,600. 51,600, they say round off your numbers to the nearest thousand. Now I'm going to teach you two things in one question. How do you round off your answer to the nearest thousand? Like this. Identify the space, the values first. Now this one is the ones, the tens, the thousands. Sorry, 1, 10, 100, thousands. So right now, your last line will be here. Draw an arrow to the number directly to the right, which will be this. Ask yourself, is this 5 or more? If this is 5 or more, here on your left, add a 1. If it's not 5 or more, on your left, there is no need to add another 1. Okay? Now, from this arrow onwards, all the numbers to the right, including the number itself, all change to 0, 0, 0, 0. And if you add a 1 to this, just that 1 plus 1 will give me 2. And this one, bring it down, the same. So this is how you round off to the nearest thousand. Okay? Just to recap, go and underline the numbers you're looking for. Thousands, right? So this is a 1,000. Put the arrow directly to the right and ask yourself, is this 5 or more? If it's the answer is yes, put a +1 over here. If it's no, do not put a +1 over here. Okay? And the number under the 0, including this and all the numbers to the right, all change it to 0. Then this number, add the +1 to become 2, and this answer remains, and you'll be able to get answer. Okay? Done.